Hi, Sandra. Tummy time to rolling over. First of all, please, I've tagged you on another post. Do not prop your baby on the elbows. Okay, best reason, really, your son's showing it. First of all, you have to have transitional movements to get in and out of movements, right? And so tummy time propping is not a goal because they can't get out of it. And what you're seeing is your child starting to do this. This is going to deviate all his milestones because he's learning a movement he shouldn't be doing. In tummy time, it's a pre-crawl, right? Nasal septum crosses through here and all of that. And I know you say gas and reflux and so forth, but you should have been shown tummy time, even just laying back on you. And you can do that in the tummy time course to eventually get to that. Second of all, we can't contract this muscle back here, right? And so he's learning how to contract this area of the back of the head, and that's not a good thing either. And so you want now rolling over, and we don't have a tummy time milestone. So start with the tummy time course. Start with the newborn movement assessment. That's free. Start with that so you can see, because you had a week in the NICU. We've got to undo some medical stuff. That was too long of a stay, and that's probably why you're having the problems, is more so is the NICU time, the hospital time versus the home, the birthing time, what happened during birth. And so that would be your first priority to look at. And then even to take my course, the NICU to home, even if you don't feel you had NICU time because you just said hospitalization, but still to see what could have been going on there. That being said, we can't go backwards. We're at 3 months and we're not getting development. So I want to do the tummy time course and then the rolling over. The best bet would just do the baby support program, and that has all the programs in it, and so you can pick and choose where you want to go. But again, as individual, you can go there. But again, the tummy time, those arms have to come out. All right. And then two, when you're doing this, now my spine's not crossing midline. And so, and that's where you need to go there. And that's where with the rolling over course, and you'll get all that, but you'll see that there's very little rotation upper body in the spine and so forth. And that's why he's having problems with his milestones, but he's not going to figure it out on his own. And so therefore, that's what you need to work on. Let me know if you have any questions, but I'd like to see you get on that because again, you're getting a little bit of a false sense of security, and I don't want that to happen. I'd like to be a bit more proactive. Thanks.